Hello everyone, I am Mudit, and in this video I'll show you the first step towards the game that I'm making. So the first step is to create a display in which you can show the game contents, right? So this is the display that I have right now. It is empty currently, but I'm going to add many more things in it in the next videos, and I'm going to post videos consistently now onwards. I hope so. I have made most of the stuff of the game already, but I'm going to post them step by step. So the window is resizable and closable and all that. You saw it. That's it. The thing is, a display can be created in just one or two lines, but all the other lines are for the for the option of adding features in the future. If you simply create a display in one line, you'll have hardly any control on it later on. So that's it. In the next video, I'll show you how you can give colors and how you can put shapes on the screen. And after that, I'll show you images. And after that, I'll show you movements. And as we go on, we will end up with a proper 3D, hopefully multiplayer game of our own. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll post other videos quickly. And I'll see you all in the other videos. Bye.